guys, if you're in the market for big bass but you don't have a big budget, head over to Slapz Audio. Pick up one of these guys. This is a Slapz Audio Oblivion 15. It is a monster subwoofer. Just over 200 bucks. And
Race my order through the streets, got that bass on blast. Every note hits hard, systems built to last. Rusted go slamming, crafting beats so clean. Handing out demos and making them green. Shaking the wall.
showed up. So we got a foam at the top, a foam at the bottom, and double boxed. That's pretty good. And I think we're going to be able to pull this out of here without a tremendous amount of trouble. These things are not ginormously heavy. They're 40 pounds, which isn't light, but they're not, you know, stupid heavy. There we go. Nice spider. Sewn in leads. So we got dual sewn in leads on each coil. This is a two ohm dual voice coil, 2 ohm coil. And it's nice. This is that T1 basket. Nice connectors. I would say those are easy 8 gauge. Like that. You got the bolt down spider pack. Double spiders. Yeah, there's 2 of them. You can feel it. There's 2 of them in there. And that's a very secure voice coil with the black winding. If I can get that to move much. Man, that sucker's stiff. And in case you didn't notice, right there, that is the watt meter amp reader. So now we're on the normal setting that shows wattage and impedance, not the one with the power factor. We're still at 42 hertz. I'm gonna rev it up again to around 1500. We're sitting at 13.8, 13.6. All right, here we go. Get ready. There's my voltage right there. We're gonna play that. So, I'm gonna tell you, I love the way this thing sounds. It shakes, it does the thing. And by the way, I'm running windows up, both sides all sealed up. Just testing the electrical and the amperage. But we were running in the 50s in the high 40s, low 50s. I know what this thing does. And that right there was full tilt at 19 hertz.